Hello everyone. Hello my beautiful kids. Hello to you. Beautiful faces. Merhabalar güzel çocuklarım. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling good? Oh, it's cool. Today we're gonna read a new story. Do you wonder what is it? Oh, here is our new book. Fun. Today we're gonna read this book. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is a very interesting book. And you should see this page. Oh, wow. Far ve Educational bu güzel kitap için çok teşekkür ediyoruz. This is our farm. And I see lots of things. Oh, where's the farmer? Is he here? No, he isn't. Here is a horse. What does a horse say? A horse says, neigh, neigh. This is the horse. Oh, neigh, neigh. Oh, I see the goat. What does a goat say? A goat says, baa, baa, baa. Here is the goat. Oh, a goat says, baa, baa, baa. Oh, this is our farmer. Welcome home, farmer. Oh, sorry. This is farmer's home. And I see a cat over here. And the cat says, meow, meow, meow. Welcome home, Daddy. Meow. And I see the tractor. Let's turn the wheel. Oh, here I see a rabbit. It is a rabbit. And the rabbit eats carrots. Wow. Oh, what is here? Oh, I see a chicken. Oh, where's her family? Here they are. It's a chicken. And it's a chicken and her family. I see 2, 1 and 2 chicks. What does a chicken say? A chicken says, oh, here I see the rooster. What does a rooster say? A rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Very good. Oh, here is a bird. What does a bird say? A bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, look at this lake. Oh, here I see the duck and the duckling. Duck and a duckling. Oh, here I see a frog. And I see 1, 2, 3 fish in the lake. Ooh, what does a fish say? A fish says, glub, 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 glub. Oh, I see a sheep. Wow, what does a sheep say? A sheep says, ba, ba, ba. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is cat and it's a dog. What does a dog say? A dog says, woof, 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 woof. Oh, where are we going now? We're going back to the front side. Oh, sorry, farmer. So sorry. Oh, here I see a cow. What does a cow say? A cow says, moo, moo. Oh, here I see a pig. What does a pig say? A pig says, oink, 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 oink. Oh, here I see a donkey. What does a donkey say? A donkey says, I hope you enjoyed the story. Umarım hikaye hoşuna gitmiştir. Ben bayıldım. Muhteşem bir kitap. Süper ötesi. Çok teşekkür ederim. So everyone, see you next time. Goodbye. Sizleri çok seviyorum benim tatlı çocuklarım. See you next time everyone. Goodbye. Woohoo! Goodbye everyone.